Hey, Clayton here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your privacy policy, your terms of service, your shipping policy, and your refund policy on your Shopify website. Now, I'm actually making a series of videos that completely shows you how to update your website. So if you wanted to like, subscribe, comment, that would be awesome. Let me know what video you want to see next, and we'll get into this video. So when you're in the back end of Shopify, you just want to come down here to settings on the bottom left. And then you want to scroll down a little bit to where it says policies. So all your policy pages are going to be in here. Now, the great thing about Shopify is that they've built templates for nearly all the policies. So if, for example, you come here where it says refund policy, you can just click create template and see how it's made a template here. And you can go through and do that for all of them. I'm going to show you how to update them in a second. So normally I just come through here and just add all the policies. This one here, shipping policy, Shopify doesn't have a shipping policy. I have one that I made ages ago. You can use it if you want. I'm just going to paste it in here. So basically the one I normally write is all our orders are carefully packaged and shipped in satchels or parcels. You could write shipped in parcels with Australia Post. Like I'm in Australia, you can make this whatever you want, whatever country you're in. And then normally processing times, your order will be processed in 1 or 2 business days. Most orders are shipped within 1 business day. Then shipping times for Australia. So for example, if you're in the United States, you'll just change that to the United States, and then shipping for international here. If I get more than 50 likes on this video, I'll leave a link in the description where you can just download this shipping policy for free, no dramas at all. Then this one here, contact information, it basically just pulls all the contact information for the website. So the trading name, well, my trading name is Inspire Small Business. I just made that name for this video. Mobile number, email, physical address here, that number, like for Australia, it'd be like ABN, things like that. You can just add all your information in here. Now, if we actually go back up here to refund policy, this is sort of like a Word document. So we can go through and edit everything. So for example, see how it says insert return address here. So you'd probably put your address there. Maybe I'll just put my PO box 280, MacArthur Square, New South Wales, Australia, 22560. So you could put your address, your return address here. You could change the emails. Sometimes the emails are wrong, so you want to go through and change them. But basically, it's pretty much exactly like a Word document. You can come in here, change the text. We've got bold. If you like highlight this bold, you can make it bold, italic, whatever, underlined if you wanted to. You can change the colors. Normally don't recommend changing the color. You can change the alignment. If you wanted to add an image in here, you could insert a link here or image here. You could do bull points. So if you wanted to make this a bull point, you could like that. Sometimes it messes up when you do that. And then you can make it a number as well if you wanted to. It really depends how you want to make it. Same with here. Basically, there's quite a lot of text in here that you have to remove or change. This is really like a rough guide sort of thing. Like, really, I shouldn't, don't really like listen to what I say, what you should add here. You should always go get legal advice if you're not sure. But basically, I just normally use the templates, reword them to fit my business or my clients' businesses, and just go from there. Just remember there's quite a lot of text in here that you don't need, or you can remove stuff like that. For example, this one here, minors. Like if you have no products that, if your products are suitable for everyone, even kids, then it's fine, sort of thing. and then you just go through just changing all the stuff here. Terms of service is the same. It has all the information and stuff in here. We already covered the shipping policy, and we already covered this stuff here. And you just press save in the top right, and now all your policy pages have been made. So refund policy, shipping policy, privacy policy, terms of service, contact information. If you have an app with a subscription, then a subscription policy will be in here. The app will add a policy into here, so you need to do that one as well. And then basically, if we go to our website, this website hasn't been built yet. I'm building it in the videos, in the next sort of few videos. But if we go to the pages here, for example, this is going to open up the shipping policy. So see how we now have the shipping policy here. We could go to refund. And in later video, I've already made a video a few years ago, but I'm going to make a new refresh video. It basically shows you how to link all the navigation and stuff like that. So you could go watch that video or wait for next week when I do it. I'll leave a link in the description. Hopefully this helped and you've added your policy pages to your Shopify store. Like I said earlier, let me know what videos you want me to make next. Really helps out the channel. If you like, subscribe, comment. You don't have to, but it does really help. And I'll leave some helpful links below. Thanks, and talk to you later. Bye.